5 ways to build a strong bond with your pet. There is nothing quite like the bond you build with your pets. Not only does this bond bring joy and fulfillment to your life, but it also significantly enhances your pet's well-being and quality of life. However, building a bond isn't as easy as adopting a pet and bringing them into your home. If you're looking for ways to build a strong bond with your pet, here is what you can do to help strengthen the relationship you have with your furry companion. Spend quality time together. Quality time is the foundation of any strong relationship, and the same goes for the bond between you and your pet. Whether you go for a long walk in the park, spend a cozy evening on the couch, or play a fun game of fetch, spending dedicated time with your pet helps strengthen your connection. Make it a point to include activities that both you and your pet enjoy, fostering a sense of companionship and joy. Consistent training and positive reinforcement. Training your pet is an opportunity to build mutual trust and respect. Consistency is key. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats and praise to encourage good behavior. This approach not only helps your pet learn, but also makes them feel secure and loved. Understand and respect their needs. Every pet is unique, with their own set of needs and preferences. Whether they like a particular type of food, have a preferred sleeping spot, or enjoy specific routines, catering to their individual needs shows that you care. Respecting their space and not forcing them into situations they're uncomfortable with goes a long way in building trust. Provide mental and physical stimulation. Improved health and happiness are some of the main reasons to keep your pets active. Keep your pet mentally and physically stimulated with engaging toys, puzzle feeders, and regular exercise. Plus, activities that challenge their mind and body help prevent boredom and destructive behavior. Show love and affection. Pets thrive on love and affection, and there are countless ways to show it. Gentle petting, soothing words, and grooming sessions can make your pet feel cherished. Pay attention to their body language to understand how they like to be touched. Some pets enjoy belly rubs, while others prefer a gentle scratch behind the ears. The more affection and positive attention you give, the stronger your bond will become. Building a strong bond with your pet involves a lot more than a pet owner might originally think. By following these steps, you'll create a relationship that's fulfilling and heartwarming.